Hi, I'm the little prince. I came back to Earth and tried to see and discover everywhere. I am in Tehran now. I am the little prince of Persia. Let's go. Laleh Park is a very old park in Tehran, which was built in 1966 by French Joffe. At that time, this was a military place used for military parades. There is a very large pond in Tulip Park, where many people exercise around it every morning, and it has many fans. The southeast of the park is also built in the style of a Japanese garden, which has a very beautiful view.